talking about India and America, let me on a lighter note. What's the salary of a Supreme Court judge in India?
If you're comparing the salary of an Indian Supreme Court judge with the US Supreme Court judge, the difference is enormous.
Okay.
Even assuming that you make a difference for standard of living, cost of living in America is much higher. But what you pay our judges is abysmal. आप सुप्रीम कोर्ट जज या चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया की सैलरी देखें, करीब 2,80,000 for the Chief Justice of India. What you will find is that a middle-level lawyer will make much more than that in one case. What a Supreme Court Chief Justice or a judge of the Supreme Court makes at the end of a month.
2,80,000.
And the judge is less. Now what is happening now as a result of this is that good people are not willing to accept judgeship in the high courts. Supreme Court, of course, is different because you predominantly have judges from the high court. So obviously people who have gone to the high court have made that choice. But I remember, this is in the 1980s perhaps, Mr. Fali Nariman was asked to become a judge of the Supreme Court. And he turned around and told the Chief Justice that, Chief Justice, my premium on account of my life insurance policy is more than my salary as a judge of the Supreme Court. So how do I become a judge? Of course, that was, that was for one individual. But the fact of the matter is that आपको अच्छे वकील चाहिए, अच्छे जजेस चाहिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट में या हाई कोर्ट्स में, तो आपको उनको अच्छी तनख्वाह देनी पड़ेगी. 1200-1400 जजेस आपके हों हाई कोर्ट्स में, क्या कॉस्ट है नेशन को? पर हमारे यहाँ ये तकलीफ है कि आप हाई कोर्ट जजेस की तनख्वाह बढ़ाएं तो फिर ब्यूरोक्रेसी कहती है कि हमारी तनख्वाह उनको लिंक कर लीजिए. That's the real problem. Problem is not about what will be the overall cost to the exchequer, but it's a cost which you pay in the interest of the nation to keep judges free from want and to attract the best talent is in the interest of the nation.